in Arizona across Lake Havasu, the old London Bridge. We like to mention this building on the left, the glass building with the curved roof. On top of that building, the largest rooftop garden in the UK, open to the Shard. It's the tallest building in Western Europe, just over 1,000 feet high. It'll cost you £30 to go to the top, double the height of the London Eye. The views are brilliant from the Shard. And then in the river to our right, the warship, HMS Belfast, built in Belfast, Northern Ireland. This ship was built in the same shipyard as the Titanic, the Harland and Wolff shipyard. Saw action throughout World